What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Lewis, and on today's video we have a fairly interesting and possibly educational video comparing the Motiv Evoke Hysteria and the Hammer Special Effect. Before we get into any more details, please consider subscribing to the channel. I would super appreciate it. We're on the way to our next big major milestone, which is 50,000 subs, and I can't do that without you, so please take a second, hit that subscribe button. If you like the jersey I'm wearing in this video or in any of my videos or anything on EFX's website, efx.co, promo code Napoles10, get you 10% off your entire order. And as always, check the links down below in the description. There's links to my chamois, the balls, the ball spinners, everything that you see in this video, plus all my gear. Use the links down below. So I said in the intro a little bit that this is going to be a little bit of an educational video. And the reason I say that is because the Evoke Hysteria is an asymmetric pearl that comes sanded. And the Special Effect by Hammer is an asymmetric solid that comes polished. And this is going to be one of those videos where I always talk about don't fall into the hype of pearl, solid, hybrid, whatever. Because this is a pearl that rolls more like a solid, and this is a solid that rolls more like a pearl. So keep that in mind. These are similar RGs, similar differentials. A lot of people liked the Special Effect and they wanted to see it compared to something. So let's compare it to my favorite asymmetric that we have right now, being the Evoke Hysteria. We're going to be here at South Point on a fresh, typical house shot. Let me know in the comments which one of these balls do you like the most and why. We'll see you on the lanes. All right, so first shot here coming up, comparing the Evoke Hysteria to the Special Effect. It's a good time to do this comparison too because EJ Tackett and this Evan kid made this ball look really good in that shootout. So we're gonna be pretty far left here with both of these balls, and you're gonna notice that they're gonna be very, very, very different motions. Yeah, like even though that's a pearl, that's a pretty smooth motion when compared to that Special Effect. So let's grab this chamois here and wipe the oil. And you guys know how much I've liked this ball. And I'm glad that I told you how much I like this ball before that shootout, because a lot of these balls were sold after that shootout. Let's make another good shot here. Oh, wow. How did that miss? All in all, I'm in the right spot, definitely. I think I maybe could have got that one a little bit more right. But we're gonna chalk that up to misfortune, because I thought that was a pretty good shot. So we'll go to the same spot with the Special Effect. Keep in mind that this is shiny, but it is a solid. Oh, I missed right by a mile. All right, disregard that shot, if you can. I missed right pretty considerable on that, so we're not gonna pay attention to that shot. One of these days, guys, one of these days, I'll learn how to bowl two-handed. I'm also noticing that this ball flares a considerable amount more, and they're more spaced out than the Evoke. Let's not miss right, let's not miss it at the bottom like we did on that last shot. I don't know if that was slow or if that hooked a lot, but we're gonna move left off that shot. We'll throw one more with the Special Effect, and then we'll get into the Evoke. Reset that. Thought I threw that pretty good. Yeah, this flares a ton. We'll move like two left on that. Yeah, This special effect feels like it's like 2 boards stronger, let's call it. But I also feel like it's cleaner and quicker. That's the polish. All right, this is how they come out of box. I didn't want to sand one or polish the other, because this is the way they're intended. And I really like this this Evoke with a little bit of surface. So same spot here with the Evoke. Oh, I missed right, wow. I mean, I missed right with both. Same exact leave. One day, guys, I'll learn to not do that. You know, it doesn't happen as much as it did before, but that's already 2 times in this video. And it happens when I try to get too fast. I don't know why, because my game two-handed is better slow, or slower rather. So let's not rush here. There we go. That's a good shot. Yeah, that's a really, really good shot. As you can see, like, this video doesn't have to be too long. I mean, really, we've seen everything that we need to see. They're both strong asymmetric balls. The Evoke Hysteria, earlier, smoother. The special effect is cleaner, quicker, maybe a touch stronger. It's flaring more, so that tells me the core is definitely stronger. But I think you really can't go wrong with either. It just depends what kind of motion you're looking for. All right, back into the special effect. Oh, oh, way to kick out the 5-pin, boys. Yeah, good stuff. We'll switch back to the Evoke. Brooklyn! That count as a strike? Technically. You're out of here? Yep. Oh, you're not going to say bye to the camera? Come say bye to the camera. No, over here. Over here. The microphone's over here. Guys.
Bye, camera.
Say bye to Chris. Let me know if you want him back in another video here soon. So we'll throw the Evoke again because I missed left. But yeah, if you're looking for a smoother ball, go with the Evoke. Quicker ball, special effect. Seems like it's pretty simple math there. Oh my God, dude, that's twice. That's 2 messengers that like just miss. But that was a really good shot. We'll reset this and throw the special effect. That's not it's not good, man. The messengers need to hit. Maybe one day I'll start getting consistent messengers. Yeah, the special effect is way stronger. Like, it might even be picking up in the same part of the lane as the Evoke, but it's definitely quicker down lane. Dude, that was disgusting, that shot. But like we said in the original review, it's an effect. It has to be good. You slid left on that. Yeah. All right, one more shot here with the effect. Oh, push. Yeah, missed in on that. Good shot. Trying to keep my elbow in, but it's not, we ain't there yet. Evoke. I'm gonna go to the same spot that I was at with the special effect with the Evoke. Really just to see here. Yeah, I think that the Evoke having the surface, what's up, Baji? I think that the Evoke having the surface makes it want to pick up a little sooner. And that was not obviously the best shot, especially with that leave. Should have shot it. I don't think I've ever picked that up. All right. Let's make a better shot. Still in the Evoke here. Oh, I threw that really bad. You see that? That was not good. Oh, no, but it was in my backswing. I like double hitched in my backswing. So yeah, we're not, strike that one from the record. I'm working on some stuff. All right, forget about that last shot. Yeah, I think that the special effect right now gives me more room. And I think I might be trying to create a little bit too much angle with the Evoke. Because I think the Evoke looks better for me when I shut my angles a little bit down and really keep it in the oil. Where the special effect is quite literally the opposite. It wants me to create angles through the front. Yeah, but if I miss it right like that, it literally doesn't matter what ball's in my hand. Let's see how long we've been in. 10 minutes, so this is pretty long already. We'll throw maybe one more strike with each ball, and then we'll wrap this up. So we'll start in the Evoke. That's a good shot. Oh! All right, we're gonna reset that. That was a really good shot. I 10-pin pretty brutally twice with this ball, and two messengers that just did not get there. We'll make one small move on that 10-pin here with the Evoke. There we go. I mean, that move was larger than I think it needed to be. So hopefully last shot of the video here with the special effect. Last shot of the day. Missed in, no shot. Even if that struck, we don't count Brooklyn's. Chris Cannon. My buddy Chris is bowling next to me. Oh, that hurt. Ball just ran into my thumb. Good thing I don't use my thumb because that would have hurt. All right. Last shot here. Wow. Wow, that ball's strong. So, we're all done comparing the Evoke Hysteria from Motiv to the special effect from Hammer. Basically exactly what I thought this video was gonna do. It did. Evokes earlier and smoother. Special effect is cleaner, quicker, stronger. I think ball motion wise, what I saw right now, the special effect would be the one that if I was bowling for score, I'd be in the special effect. But if you ask me just straight up which one's the better ball, which one I recommend for, it's gonna be the Evoke Hysteria. But right now, for score, special effect, pretty, like not even close. But overall, I think the Evoke Hysteria is a better ball, more versatile for me.